Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Thursday lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi's decision of reducing the excise duty on petrol and diesel and said that the step gives a big relief to the general public on Diwali. Taking to Twitter, Shah said, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has given a big relief to the general public on Diwali by reducing the excise duty on petrol and diesel by ₹5 and ₹10 respectively. The Home Minister also said the relief given is a very sensitive decision even after the increased prices at the international level. In a relief to consumers, the Finance Ministry on Wednesday announced a ₹5 per litre cut in excise duty on petrol and a ₹10 per litre cut in excise duty on diesel. Amid record high fuel prices, this is the first cut in central excise duties in over 3 years. Petrol and diesel had been seeing an upward trend for 7 consecutive days till Tuesday. On Wednesday, the rates remained unchanged. Becoming the first state to reduce sale tax on petrol and diesel, Karnataka cut ₹19.47 on diesel prices, bringing them down from ₹104.50 to ₹85.03, whereas petrol prices fell from ₹113.93 to ₹100.63, reducing ₹13.30.